In the angel of Revelation chapter 14 presents a message that is to be proclaimed to the world just before Christ comes in the clouds of heaven. Just prior to this time, then the attention of the people is to be called to the downtrodden law of God, which is contained in the ark of this testament. There is nothing in the ark but the 10 commandments. At yang kautusan ng Panginoon ng 10 commandments, diyan tatawagin ang atensyon ng mga tao. Yang kautusan na yan na ang tagal-tagal na panahon na hindi na sinunod, especially the 4th commandment, which is the 7th day Sabbath. They see that instead of observing the 7th day, the day that God sanctified and commanded to be observed as the Sabbath, they are keeping the first day of the week. So yung mga tao, the moment na makikinig sila sa salita ng Panginoon, marirealize nila na, 7th day pala ang inutos ng Panginoon. 7th day pala ang i-observe natin as a Sabbath. Pero bakit first day or Sunday ang ating sinusunod ngayon? That's the time, that is actually their turning point.